Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to give you a very easy and simple tutorial of how to change your website name on your Wix website. So, using your favorite web browser, go to your Wix website and on the left-hand side, click on Settings. Now, once you've accessed your settings page, go ahead and focus on the site name. Now the text box underneath site name will be the name of your website. So go ahead and change that to whatever you wish. Important thing to note is you also want to change the domain name for your website to be the same as your site name. Once you're happy with your changes and your new name, scroll to the very bottom and click on Save. Now on the upper left corner, click on My Sites and you should be able to see your Wix website with the new name that you changed it to. What I would recommend you do next is to hover over it, click on Select and Edit Site, and on the Wix website editor, make sure that any text boxes with your old site name, go ahead and change those to your new site name. Now, once you've double-checked all of those details, on the upper right corner, click on Save, and then click on Publish to activate your website with your new name. And that's it! Thanks for watching this video. And if you found it really helpful or you want more content for easy and free tutorials, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial content. Thanks for watching!